Hi and welcome to the Friday Bundle Show, and we've got a bank holiday bundle special for you. This Friday on the Bundle Show, we've got 13 special Craft Perfect and Nuvo bundles for you, all at 30% off. Only available for this weekend until Tuesday 4 p.m. So let's find out what bundles we've got available. Our bundles this week are centered around 3 unique themes. You can mix and match your choices to fit your crafting style. First up, we have our Monochrome Metallics bundles. These drop glitter and mixed media selections include dazzling metallics, ready to add shine to your next design. Next, we have our vintage bundles in golds and coppers. These selections bring a classic, luxurious feel to every project. And thirdly, we have our daydream bundles. These fresh pastel colours brighten and delight with energetic tones, perfect for summer. We have 2 6x6 card pack selections available, including mirror, pearlescent speciality and foiled craft card, with each containing 24 sheets. And finally, we have 2 Nuvo Tool bundles, perfect for applying glitter or creating mixed media masterpieces. And don't forget, these bundles are only available for this weekend, closing Tuesday at 4 p.m. We've got brilliant shipping rates around the world, and it's free delivery for any order within the UK over £20. So there's never been a better time to grab yourself a bargain. Available at tonic-studios.co.uk.